Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh and today I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo using Canva. And for the people who don't know what's Canva, it is a user-friendly graphic design platform. So it doesn't matter whether you are a small business owner, a blogger or a freelancer, having a unique logo is crucial for establishing your brand identity. So let's get right into it. So firstly, we'll have to search Canva on Google. Let's go. So we'll click on the first link and you'll have to log in here or sign up. So I'll simply log in and use my Google account. I'm already in. So this is the Canva dashboard where they have a lot of templates available here. So for the logo, we'll just try to search here. It's very simple. Just search your logo. Then we'll have suggestions, templates, and as well as sample. Here we can just create a blank logo, so it will give us a blank space and then we can add multiple elements. Another thing that we can do is select any one out of this available template. So let's select one. I'll go with this one. Let's customize this template. Thanks. So here is it. This is the canvas on where the logo is placed, and as you can see, whenever I move my cursor around, it shows all of the elements, such as this is a text box. I can just edit it right here. Let's say I write razor here, and if I want to edit this text as well. So it's very simple. Another thing that I would like to focus here is on if you want to change the background color. You just have to click here on the background, and here's how you change the color. So let's say you want pink or purple, or let's say go with the orange. Now another thing here is we can change the design even if you don't like the template as well. Here are the other templates, and if you click on the filter, you can choose colors as well. There's a filter. Let's say I want something in blue color, so here are my results, and this one are the free ones and this one are the pro ones. So if you have a pro subscription, you can use those, or you can just use the free ones. So let's suppose I want to use this one. I just click on it. I just click on here and replace the current page. So there it is. Now another thing that I would like to highlight is we can put elements as well. If you want to add something more, you can go here. Let's say you want to add a shape. So there's a square shape. You can change the size, whatever, and you can place it anywhere, just like that. Also, there are other elements as well, like if you want to add a star, let's suppose, then there are multiple options there. There are graphics, there are photos as well. So if you don't want a graphic and you want to add a photo, these are your options. And let's say I want to delete this thing. Yep, there you go. So let's say you are done with the design and you like to share it or download it, then click on here, share, click here on download, and there are multiple options that you can download for, like if you want a JPG file or PNG or a PDF file. So let's suppose you want a PNG and then click on it, download. There you go. You have your logo. You can use it for your business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.